What we're looking at here is a vintage GMC-based motorhome, most likely from the 1970s, built on the Vandura platform or a closely related GMC van chassis. In that era, vehicles like this were a popular choice for camper conversions because they combined simple mechanics, a strong chassis, and a surprisingly spacious interior. Depending on the exact version, these vans could come with gasoline V8 engines ranging from about 5.0 to 7.4 liters. Power figures varied by year and engine, but a realistic range was roughly 130 to over 230 horsepower. The key advantage wasn't speed, it was torque, because a vehicle like this had to move a heavy body plus all the equipment inside. And weight really mattered here. A standard full-size van could already weigh more than 2,500 kilograms, or about 5,500 pounds. A motorhome conversion could easily push that up to around 3,500 to 4,500 kilograms. Depending on length and equipment, that's one reason large V8 engines were so common in these builds. Size was another big selling point. Motorhomes like this were often around 5.5 to 7 meters long, or about 18 to 23 feet. Width was usually close to 2 meters, and height could exceed 2.5 meters. So even though it started as a van, this was already very close to being a compact house on wheels. Fuel economy, of course, was not its strength. With a big gasoline V8 and a tall, heavy camper body, fuel consumption could easily land around 20 to 30 liters per 100 kilometers, or roughly 8 to 12 miles per gallon. By modern standards, that's huge, but these vehicles were built in a time when durability and carrying capacity mattered more than efficiency. One of the most interesting details on this example is the six-wheel layout. That extra rear axle helped spread the load, improve stability, and support the heavier camper body. For a vehicle carrying water, cabinets, appliances, and sleeping space, that was a very practical solution. Inside, these motorhomes often included beds, storage, a small kitchen, a sink, a stove, and sometimes even a compact bathroom. And that's what makes something like this special. With a big V8, up to 7 meters of length, and a full living space inside, it wasn't just transport. It was a piece of classic American road trip culture.